What's going on YouTube? Geosnow right here. In today's video we're talking about an apparent uncovered jailbreak Untethered for iOS 14.6. There is a video that is quite popular on the internet on how to do it directly from your device. A viewer sent me this and we're going to see if it's real or fake. This video is brought to you by AnyTrans, a software that allows you to transfer data between your device and your computer, manage the data on your device or your iCloud account, and of course your media library and so on. You can get a free trial on the iMobi website and you can get absolute control over your data and of course quick transfers. Check it out in the link below. So this is the video. It has almost 30,000 views, which is more than my videos get when I do a tutorial, so that's actually quite interesting. The channel that posted it, Vincent here, has 2.21k subscribers, quite some good number for a beginner channel, and of course the like to dislike ratio seems to be pretty good. 3.2k likes versus 144 dislikes. Looks like a legitimate tutorial. It's a voiced tutorial. I'm not gonna play the voice in here because copyright reasons. I'm just gonna do commentary over the video because that's fair use. But yeah, it does have voice and it shows you exactly what you need to do, shows the phone, shows Cydia running, shows the Unc0ver website. It says in here that it's an iOS 14.6 jailbreak by Unc0ver, which of course is untethered and installs Cydia. So they restart the device and then they have Cydia right there. They show you the device, they show you everything, and they direct you to go to a website called Unc0ver.ink, which is, as you can see, the Unc0ver jailbreak website in here. Wait a second, that's not the Unc0ver jailbreak website. If you take a look in here, this is the real Unc0ver jailbreak website, unc0ver.dev. Amazing copycat work in here. If you take a look, absolutely everything down to icons and stuff like that has been copied, except for the installation guide. They just tell you to basically do what they do in the video here. But other than that, you could swear that you're on the real Unc0ver website, even down to the light or dark mode theme. So they basically copied everything on the website. However, it says in here that it works on iOS 11.0 to 14.6 when the real Unc0ver website says 11.0 to 14.3. Now, some things we need to clarify in here. This is completely fake. Of course it's fake, otherwise I wouldn't be debunking it. But there are many videos like this on YouTube and they seem to be very convincing because they talk just like I do. They make tutorials just like I do. Show the device, show Unc0ver, which is a brand name in the jailbreak community. We know about it, it works, it's a real jailbreak, but there are some things important about this. Unc0ver is not an untethered jailbreak and Unc0ver will not support 14.6 at the time I'm making this video, which is June 19. So this video is of course fake and it has been premiered on May 26th, which it's impossible at that date to have had any jailbreak that worked on that version. Not even Checkra1n probably worked on that version at that point. So yeah, right now only Checkra1n jailbreak supports iOS 14.6, but Checkra1n doesn't work on the new devices. Checkra1n only works on the iPhone 10 and older. So you're going to ask me, how did they get a jailbreak in here if not with Unc0ver like they demonstrate in the video? And I think they basically use Checkra1n, but they could be using anything. It could be fake Cydia, it could be anything, but this is not the official Unc0ver website. So the official Unc0ver website is Unc0ver.dev, and this one is created by Pound Owned. What they did was to buy a new domain, which is Unc0ver.ink. Still very similar with the official domain name in here. You wouldn't be able to tell if you were a beginner in the community, and the website basically looks the same, even down to the dark mode and the light mode, and even down to the button and the animation the button does when you press on it. So yeah, amazing copycat work in here, and you can actually be sure that this fake website would score pretty high in the search because people do search for iOS 14.6 jailbreak, and then of course they also search for Unc0ver, so this would pop up and they would get scammed. Now of course the video shows you exactly you have to install a profile, and they even actually copied the Unc0ver jailbreak interface. If you take a look in here, they copied the interface of Unc0ver, probably made a website or something, but it does copy the jailbreak interface. It's not the real Unc0ver, but you would get something that looks like Unc0ver. So the copycat work is amazing with this one. They spend hours upon hours creating the best fake possible for Unc0ver. With the time they spent, they could could have probably learned how to make a jailbreak from scratch. So yeah, but this is completely fake. This is not a real jailbreak. And if you want real jailbreak news and real jailbreak downloads, check out my website iDevice Central, where I do have the latest jailbreak news in here, but also a jailbreak downloads button. Once you press the jailbreak downloads button, you're getting here the latest jailbreak downloads, official link, and of course get the status of the latest versions. And as you can see, 14.4 to 14.6 are not currently jailbreakable on A12, A13 or A14, which means everything newer than iPhone X. That's all you need to know right here at the top. iOS 15 beta is also not currently jailbreakable, not even with checkra. So iDeviceCentral.com if you want the latest jailbreak news and if you want legitimate jailbreak news. This in here, completely fake, no matter how much voiceover they do over it, no matter how real they make it look like, and boy did they put a lot of effort in copying the Unc0ver jailbreak website down to a T. So if you press jailbreaking here, it would try to download a mobile config profile. Now something you should know, it's not possible to jailbreak a device with a mobile config profile. But let's download that and let's try to look at it and see exactly what's going on up in here. So I'm gonna try to cat into it to see what it contains. So I'm gonna say cat and open this file, and yeah, surprise surprise, it's base64 encoded. So I'm gonna try to open it. Okay, show profile. It says that it's made by Pound2Own. Pound2Own never made such thing, and apparently it's a web clip. Yeah, apparently I was right, they did indeed create a fake website that looked like the Unc0ver website, and apparently this is what they install on your screen. It's basically an Unc0ver icon which goes to this website. I'm pretty sure I would be able to actually go here on the computer and show you the fake interface. Let's see. Yeah, it seems to be going there. And as you can see, if you were on mobile right now, I'm gonna go on mobile in here and I'm gonna say iPhone X. This is basically what you would see after you installed that fake profile from this video, which they tell you to install. Let me actually try to find it. It's in here. You can see that they are using it after installing the profile. So you would basically see this, and it says in here jailbreak for iOS 14.6 and stuff like that. Amazing, amazing bit of copycat work. Check it out, down to every single settings and stuff like that. Even the information about the kernel and stuff like this. So I'm gonna press jailbreak and let's see what's going on. Now remember, I'm jailbreaking Google Chrome in here. It's not a real jailbreak. Check it out. It even does exactly what Unc0ver would do. But it says in here, manual intervention required. Please bypass kernel root check manually. Now I shouldn't have to say this, but yeah, this is complete HTML. Every single thing is in HTML in here. But you shouldn't have to bypass kernel root check manually. What even is that? What is kernel root check? There isn't such thing. Now if you press continue here, sneaky, you go to an ad. Basically surveys in here. Now fortunately I don't have any because VPN and stuff, but you can see they ask you to complete a survey which is paid before jailbreaking your device. This is a scam. So yeah, this is complete crap, not the official jailbreak. The official jailbreak only works on 14.3 for the moment. If you press download, you get an IPA file which you have to sideload to your device. It doesn't work in Google Chrome, let alone on your device. So yeah, this is completely fake. I shouldn't have to tell you. Vincent, whatever, completely fake channel, completely fake videos. Let's try to see what they have in here. A bunch of what it looks like copyright infringement, and then we have this fake video posted 3 weeks ago. So yeah, no, this is completely fake. The only official website for Unc0ver is uncover.dev. Check out the latest jailbreak news on iDeviceCentral.com. So yeah, no, definitely not created by Pound2Own. So yeah, thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace out.